Hello there. Welcome to Success Online Australia, where we share our knowledge on growing your sales through strategic planning on web development and optimization. On the previous video, we explained the funnel site page and the business website. In case you missed it, you can find the link of the video on the description box below or click the I button on the upper right corner of this video. For this video, we are going to discuss the pros and cons of a funnel site page. You really need to check what benefits you'll get from having a funnel site page. Here are some of the pros and cons of a funnel site page. Pros: increases conversion rate, builds trust, increases the lifetime value of customers. It converts email subscribers easily, increases sales, informs you about products and services that do not sell. Cons: can't do blogging, directs people to what they need most. Want a better and wider explanation about this video? Just email us at sales@sexonline.com.au. Watch our upcoming videos as we explain the pros and cons of a business website. Please don't forget to like this video and make sure to subscribe on our channel and click the notification bell for you to be notified anytime we post a new video. Thank you for watching.